Hey guys, it's Jennifer here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting together a quick and easy 4th of July wreath. You can use it for Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, all year. The flowers are all, of course, from Dollar Tree, and so are the signs, the wreath hanger, and this is from Target. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or these, so I'm going to go ahead and do the flowers first and play around and see what I want to do. So of course, the first thing I need to do is go ahead and pop all of these heads off of the flowers. I've got, I think, 2 different kinds. I've got this one with the red and blue stars and stripes, and then the Cosmo one with the red, white, and blue. There we go. I've got all of my flower heads popped off, and when I was doing it, I realized there was actually some other ones. There's some Gerbers in here. Lots of different ones I didn't see before. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hot glue gun turned on, and we'll start gluing these. All right, and I've decided to use the USA blocks from Target. So I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue on the sides of them to glue them together like this, and then attach it to the wreath. All right, so I've got my USA letters glued together, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some hot glue to the back and glue it onto the wreath form before we start adding the flowers. There we go. I've got the USA glued to the wreath form. It is stuck on there pretty well. I am a little worried about the heat since it's been in the hundreds plus, about it melting the hot glue, but I haven't had any problems before, so just gonna cross our fingers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add all the flowers. right, there we go. We've got all the flowers glued down. I love how it came out. I just have to go and grab my wreath hanger, my red wreath hanger from Valentine's Day. Always keep, pick up the green, red, and the white because you can use them all year round. So when they're on clearance at Dollar Tree, 2 for $1, that's the best time to get them. So I'm gonna grab my red wreath hanger and we'll get this on the door. And there we go. My porch is ready for Labor Day and Memorial Day and 4th of July. I love the way it came out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great 4th of July. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.